Hey y'all, what's good? If you're new to my channel, my name is Michaela Janae and I'm currently in my 7th month of cosmetology school, even though right now I'm not in school due to this quarantine, but your girl is still a student. I have my cosmetology school kit here and I'll be showing you guys what came in my kit, okay? This is my second time doing this video because I actually started cosmetology school while I was in high school. So this is my second kit I've ever had and we're going to get into some comparisons, but I'm going to be showing you everything that came in this new kit. So if you guys are interested in that, keep on watching. Alright, so as you can see from the thumbnail, I have this humongous briefcase looking kit. It is extremely heavy. My last cosmetology school kit came in a black duffel bag, and I will say that I rathered the duffel bag than this kit. It hurt my shoulder, it did, but these kits are more likely to break and they are way heavier, so I'm not really a briefcase type of girl. I already kind of am breaking it a little bit. I will kind of show you how it's looking in the inside. Right now it is pretty it's pretty organized, but you know, it's seen some better days, like when I first got it. Other than that, it's really hard to keep it organized because there's not compartments, but I keep a lot of my stuff in plastic bags. Plastic bags are a key, and in my last cosmetology school kit I did use toiletry type of things, but I will be organizing my kit some more. So if you guys would like to see a video about me organizing my kit, let me know. So basically my school, their main products and their tools come from Paul Mitchell. This is my blow dryer, it's Paul Mitchell. My flat iron and curling irons are Paul Mitchell. My curling iron is a Marcel, and does it work as good as the Hot Tools Marcel? No. It's okay though, it works fine. They only give us one size, but once I develop my kit some more, I would get more curling irons. This is the flat iron. The flat iron works pretty well. It does. It gets hair straight. Someone has used this to flat iron my hair once, but I would have to use it again to see how well it really works. If you guys would like me to do a video about this flat iron, let me know, because I could review that for you guys and let you know if it is worth it. And my blow dryer came with, of course, the concentrator attachment, but it also came with a diffuser, and this is actually my first diffuser, so I have nothing to compare it to, but it works pretty well. It doesn't fall off or anything like that. So in this kit, I only got pin curl clips. They did not give us roller clips. I did not like that. So I would definitely tell you guys to invest in roller clips. And roller clips are the clips that fit into your rollers. It is something that will help you so much on skateboard wet sets, and it will just help you in roller sets in general because clips get in the way a lot. So all I got were these type of clips. I don't know if you guys can see these type of clips right here. And when it comes to hair clipping, they only gave us duck bills, which are not really good for clipping hair and all types of hair. It's really good for keeping sections, but other than that, I would suggest that you guys invest in duckbill and those little clamps like this. So I had to actually add this to my kit myself because in this cosmetology school, I'm going to be working on a lot more real people, not just mannequins. So it's important to have the proper materials that's going to make my life so much easier. So I didn't want to make it super hard for myself, so I just got myself what I needed. And I keep all of my clips in a Ziploc bag just so it's going to be easier, but I want to find a better way to store it. This is the color bowl that I was given. It's blue. It's pretty basic. Okay, so my stand, it comes apart like this, and it's just a basic mannequin stand, but I already have had to change the bottom of it because I think I may have stripped my screw because our tables at school are a little weird, but the stand is pretty much standard. I can use any stand. The stand I got from my last school fits with the mannequin. I got a color applicator bottle, and of course I got some clippers. They gave me a peanut. I've only done one men's haircut at school, and was I in love with these? No, these are the wall peanuts, and did not really like how they performed. I have the wall designer clippers. These are, they're okay. They're not super heavy, but it takes a while to get that wrist motion and they worked okay. They're fine. They gave us our guards, of course, and I just keep this in another plastic bag. So I only use these bad boys once, but the peanuts definitely did not line up as good as I would have hoped. Now for the combs and brushes, once again, they are Paul Mitchell. So we got various different sizes in a Ziploc bag, of course. We got various different sizes of round brushes, the humongous round brush, and the super tiny round brush. I absolutely love to round brush. We got different size paddle brushes, and if I can get this out, I have the biggest size paddle brush. We have a Paul Mitchell teasing brush. This works pretty well. I didn't melt it or anything. And we have these Paul Mitchell combs. This is one that I took the teeth out of right there. These work fine. They're okay for finger waving, but they did give us a lot of those, so I got like a whole box of the combs. This type of brush, this other little nylon brush, a color brush, of course, and these color brushes are by Mariana. I think that's the same people that made that stand. And of course we have a bigger comb. This is the widest tooth comb we have, but they do have wider tooth combs that we are able to use on the floor. And we have this Andes clipper comb that can be used for clipper over comb techniques. One thing that my school did give to me, well, I actually had to win this, like I won it as a prize, and it is one of these silicone brushes, is what you call it? I don't know, spatula brush. So this type of spatula helps for your state board color retouches, relaxer retouches. This is what this is helpful for, so I would suggest that you invest in this yourself. You can get this from Sally's or Armstrong McCall. Of course, I have my shears. We have Sharpen Professional shears, and we have a razor, of course. Our shears came with band-aids. They came with extra finger guards. They came with, I think this is a cleaning cloth. I didn't even open that yet. They came with oil to oil them. But these are my thinning shears. And they also came with mannequin scissors, but we didn't even use those. And which I do suggest, I'm gonna just say from my experience, I would not suggest that you use your scissors on mannequins, but at my school we do. But to me, that hair kind of dulls the blade a little bit, because I haven't even been cutting a lot of hair, and already my blades aren't as sharp as they were just from cutting the mannequin hair. So if you can avoid it, I would definitely say to avoid it, and to use the scissors that has the black on it, that is like for mannequin hair, the little practice scissors. But these are the shears, and eventually I guess I'm gonna have to get them sharpened, but I'm gonna try to go as long as I can not getting them sharpened, because it's super hard to find a shear sharpener. I'm gonna just eventually get some more shears. So, and they also gave me 2 capes. I got a hair cutting cape and a wet cape, but I think this is my wet cape and this is the hair cutting cape. They're not that much different in texture, but they're 2 different colors. The deeper I get into hair school, the more I'ma just eventually fill my kit up with stuff I want to fill it up with, and the products that fit my standards. But of course, I'm grateful for what they gave me. Everything that's in this kit. Now, since we're at home, I have everything. So I do have my rollers also. I keep my rollers in this super cute bag, and we just have basic rollers, the basic roller set. And I just like to keep myself pretty organized, because I'm an organized type of girl. And this is our book. We do have a little study review book, and I know that some people also have a workbook, but we don't have a workbook. We just use this Milady Black book. And I even have my mannequins to show you guys, okay? So let me just tell y'all, if you guys are interested in my hair journey and my hair school journey, I am going to be doing hair school online. So if you guys are interested in seeing a day in the life of an online hair school student, let me know, because I could definitely record that for you. Now, I also forgot that I have a little nail kit. Our nail kits don't have a lot in them. They have cuticle nippers, a brush, mini scissors, tweezers, a metal file, and another cuticle pusher. Now to the fun part, the mannequins. Don't judge them. My girls have been in a bag. So do not judge them. She's not at her best right now. But this is This is one of my mannequins. This is actually one that I cut. In every level we cut a little bit more. She's looking a little crazy, but it's okay. We didn't color our mannequins or anything like that yet. I have one mannequin with rollers in because this quarantine happened all of a sudden and she did not get her comb out yet, but this is how she's looking. It will be a cute comb out whenever we comb her out. So this is my long hair mannequin. Actually, is this my no, this is my short hair mannequin. This is another mannequin that I cut. That's why she has in the turquoise rollers that I'm not taking out because I need that to count for something. This is my water bottle. It's pretty basic, but I also have a mister that once again I won. And I have this long hair mannequin. I actually did not do this updo. Someone actually did this updo in her and they forgot to take it out, but it's actually super cute. She cute. So this is my long hair mannequin. We keep this one long for roller sets, updos like this, stuff like that. So I think that is pretty much everything. I think that's everything I have in my kit. If you guys would like to see what I keep in my book sack, what I'm bringing right now for the beginning of cosmetology school, and what you guys need, let me know, because I can definitely do a do's and don'ts, what you need and what you don't need. I really know right now. Eventually the stuff you are bringing to school does dwindle down and it does get less, because eventually I'm just going to be working on humans all the time and I'm going to be mainly on the floor, so I don't need as much book work and stuff. You all enjoyed this video. If you like more hair videos, I have a whole playlist of me doing hair, and if you guys want some more knowledge about cosmetology school, if you're thinking about getting into that, let me know, because I can definitely do more videos like that. I hope you all enjoyed this. Holla at me in the comments and I'll always holla back. So I'll see you guys in my next video.